It's the first day of spring. Winter went out with a 29-degree cold night, but I think it's time to try to get some red buds. We're gonna make some jelly. If I can do this without getting stung, we're gonna do this in two parts. Today we're gonna harvest, then we're gonna make our tea. We're gonna make the jelly tomorrow. Hope you join me for that. But we got a pretty good little crop of flowers going on this year. And I'm gonna leave plenty of flowers for the bees. But as soon as I get some of these picked, we'll go ahead and take a look at the container garden. It's been just 1 month. These are good and ready to harvest. That's why the bees are out here. Before the bees decide to carry me off, I think we've got enough to make a nice little batch of jelly. I'm going to split this between 2 containers, and we're just going to pour it full of boiling water, and we're going to let it make tea overnight. Then tomorrow, about this time, meet me back in the kitchen, and I'll show you how to make jelly. But right now, let's go ahead and take a look at our container garden. It's been just 1 month since we planted. See how yours is doing. The basil looks like it got singed just a little bit. The lettuce and the parsley did just fine. Now our container garden, I've been hauling this in and out because of the temperature. This tomato cannot take the cold at all. Our radishes are coming up just fine. The lettuce has got some really nice leaves on it. And you can see our carrots got their first true leaves. I really like that mixture. We've got some green and some purple. We got several different varieties in there. If you've never planted a garden before and you want to try some seeds, these are some of the easiest to grow. And this is what you can expect in 30 days. These radishes, even if they don't bulb up, even if they go to seed, you can eat the leaves, you can eat the seeds, you can eat the whole thing. Same thing with the lettuce, same thing with the carrots, and actually the same thing with the tomatoes. You can do this too. Now I've done this before, so I know this works really well. Like the bigger wide mouth jars, we're just going to fill them up. I'm going to kind of split this in half. Doing it outside is good because if you come across any sticks or bugs, you can get rid of them. They're not in the house. I think we're pretty careful as fast as we went. Now we're going to put boiling water on this and let it turn into a tea. It's going to sit overnight. You're going to get a stick because that's where those flowers come out of. Just pop those off, toss the stick off to the side. Now as you get down to the bottom of the bowl, see what you got in here? You really don't want that in. It'd be okay, it's coming off of these flowers, but while it's falling off, I don't believe that's where your flavor's coming from. Even if you have to sacrifice a few of the last flowers to not get that in there, that'd be fine too. So I think we're pretty good. Got that packed in there pretty good, but you'll be surprised as soon as we put hot water in there, it's going to shrink up a little bit. Well, I've got the water going. Yeah, I think we got this water plenty hot enough to make tea. We're going to go over to the sink. We're going to dipper this into these jars. Don't want to pour it too fast. I don't want to break the jars. And there's no actual measurement for this right now. We're just wanting to fill these up with hot water. We'll go ahead and put these lids on. That's just finger tight. As you can see, it shrunk down quite a bit. But by tomorrow, that's going to be a nice pink purple color. And right now, you just let them sit. And then we'll be back in the kitchen tomorrow. I hope you join me for that. You can do this too. I hope you join me, and I'd like to see your container garden. Until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you.